What is going on, everyone? It's McKinley from RV Talk, and I am here at the 2025 Florida RV Super Show, where we'll be taking a look at this Timberwolf 20OG. This RV has a rear porch, 2 loft beds, a full bedroom, and is designed for full-time RV living. And the best part is, it's under $40,000. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is the Timberwolf 20OG. This RV has so much to offer, but before we tour it, let's take a look at the specs. So this RV has a hitch weight of 1,075 pounds, a total gross vehicle weight of 11,275 pounds, an unload vehicle weight of 8,294 pounds, and this RV is 35 feet 8 inches and has a total height of 13 feet 6 inches. As you can see, the front of this is pretty much one big flat wall. But up front, you've got your dual propane tanks, a standard crank jack, and then you do have scissor jacks on this RV. A lot of large windows, and then the roof does slant down towards the back. You've got some decals here on the side, and then the outside is rippled siding. You've got your hot water tank, and then 2 really nice off-road looking tires. And as you can see, this RV is $39,999 here at the Camping World display at the Florida RV Super Show. Coming around to the back, you've got this really nice back porch, and as you can see, there are some windows up there. That right there is one of the loft beds. You've got your More Ride solid steps on the back, and then you have a composite decking, as well as these large, basically sliding glass doors in the back. You've got a table setup, a TV up above that sits directly across from the couch, and then this right here is the stairs to go up to one of the 2 lofts. So this right here, you kind of have to crawl through here, but you've got a pretty large bed and 4 windows up here, which lets in a lot of light. Underneath of the staircase, you have a good-sized cabinet. You've got a washer and dryer combo, dishwasher, a shelf space up above, and then over here is your cabinet with an ice maker, and then you have a loft up above the back porch, as well as a trifold sofa. So having this extra couch gives you just one more sleeping spot besides the 2 loft beds and a full bedroom in the back. Over to the kitchen, you've got solid surface countertops, pull-out drawers, cabinets up above, and then you have a smaller size microwave, but you have a 3-burner cooktop as well as a really large oven. Underneath the sink, there's not much cabinet space, but you do have a full-size residential refrigerator with some wine storage up above. Alright, so heading into this back bedroom, you have a king-size bed with plenty of space to walk around on each side, and then over here, you have this little storage cubby. And you do have little reading lights up above the bed. And then you have some overhead cabinets. Now this right here, they don't pass through to each other. They do have dividers. And then you have this little storage cubby over there. And then you have barn doors to slide off both the bathroom and the bedroom. Over here you have a mid-bath. So you've got your foot flush porcelain toilet. And then you've got some cabinet space up above, as well as your sink and mirror vanity across from it. And then across from that is the shower. Alright, so that is going to do it for the tour of this Timberwolf 20OG. What do you guys think about this RV? Let me know in the comments down below, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more RV tips, tours, product reviews, industry updates, and traveling adventures. Till next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the road.